Hello guys, maupit ako egg. Ma, is the quack egg?
Let's crack some egg.
Yes.
Hi guys, this is Kayla's favorite. I boiled some eggs.
It's hot.
2 eggs for Kayla.
I do that.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Do you know how to open the egg?
Yeah.
How do you open an egg?
I feel very
You crack the egg, okay? Then you peel the shell.
shell.
Yeah, that's the shell of the egg.
I'll take that shell.
It's so hard, the shell.
But that's the baby mask for Karina.
What do you say?
Yes, Mom.
Mama will help you.
Ma, but
No, waste your paper. How about this one?
okay. Atama, ayaw tatas mo kami. Hindi kami. Ito ka lang sa init. Ayaw tama.
Okay.
Ito lang sa init lang.
Hot?
Wala.
Wala na hot?
Hmm.
Here you go.
May ikot ka lima.
Show them.
Ako na po, imuha ma. Ako mana.
Okay. Oops. Uh-oh.